Hello coders, welcome back to Daily Coding. In this video, we are going to discuss question number 33, lead code. How to find value in the rotated sorted array. So what is the rotated sorted array? In the initial, this array was sorted, but it was rotated by some of the number. Then we have to find the value in this sorted array, and we don't have to use O of n solution. We have to find it in log n of solution. So how to find it? We have to apply here binary search, but we have to do some twist on that, and then we will find the value. Suppose here we have the given array, so we'll consider this is as a left. This will be the left, and this value is the right. This is the right value, and it is just sorted, but due to rotations it will not possible to be in the starting only the sorted. Here we can see in the right hand side 0 1 2 is sorted, and 4 5 6 7 this is sorted in the left side. So what we have to do, we have to check in both sides, left hand side and right hand side, both sides we have to check, and if you find the value in any of the sorted side, then we have to return the value. So first we'll check mid value, and if mid value, and then if it will be equal to mid equal to target, we have to return it. If not, if left hand side is sorted, left side will be sorted, then we have to check either it is in the first side or second side, and based on that we have to increase left plus 1, or we have to decrease right minus 1. If right hand side is sorted, in that case also we have to calculate the value, and based on that we have to calculate left hand side or right hand side. So let's see what is the algo for that, and then we'll start writing the code for this. Here we have given this array, and we have given the target value. First we'll initialize the left value, and then we'll initialize the right value. We will check left should be less than equal to right. If it is no, then we have to return -1. If it is yes, we have to calculate mid value. Mid should be left plus right minus left by 2. Here we are using right minus left because to avoid overflow value. And if nums of mid equal to target, in that case we have to return the mid value. If not, we have to check binary left is this left side is less than equal to nums of mid, means our target is this first part is sorted, nums left is less than equal to nums of mid. If yes, then we have to start writing. We'll start checking target is where it's located. If target is located greater than nums of left, if suppose here the value and this is the mid, if this part is sorted, this is mid and this is the left, if this is the left side, if this part is sorted, we have to find this target is greater than nums of left. So suppose it will be available here somewhere, and target is less than nums of mid, and it's less than mid, then we have to do? If yes, then we have to reinitialize our right value. Then our right will be come here. In right will be mid minus 1. If not, then it will come the second side, and then our left will become left mid plus 1. Okay, so this will be our left will come here, and we have to search in this area. If in the second conditions, here we have the mid value available, we have the mid, and this is the right. If it will be somewhere in mid and right, then we have to check. If this condition true, means this right hand side is sorted, and we have to check it is target is greater than nums of mid. So whatever the target value will be here, target is greater than mid value, and it is less than right value. In this case, if our value will be available here, then what we have to do? We have to change our left. So left will be become here, and it will be mid plus 1. If this is not the true, in this case, we have to search in the second part, and then our right will become mid minus 1. So this logic we have to apply, and then we have to find the value. So let's start writing the code, and we'll try to find solution for that. Here we will initialize left equal to 0, integer right equal to nums dot length minus 1, and we have to start writing while condition if while left less than equal to right. Then we have to find integer mid value equal to left plus right minus left by 2. Okay, and now we will check is nums of mid equal to target. If it is yes, then we have to return mid value. If now we have to check left part is sorted or right part is sorted. So here we are checking if nums of left is less than equal to nums of mid, means left part is sorted. So here we are checking left part is sorted, and we'll write the condition if target is less than equal to, target should be left side, nums of left, and target is greater than nums of mid. In this case, we have to check right should be mid minus 1. We initialize our right value, and we have to check in the first part. Else we have to check left equal to mid plus 1, and here we have to check else condition. If right part is sorted, then what we have to do? We have to write condition here again. Target is greater than equal to nums of right, and target should be greater than, it should be less than nums of mid. In this case, what we have to do, because it's in the second part, we have to set left equal to mid plus 1, else we have to change right equal to mid minus 1. And if this will not get the value, in this case we have to return minus 1. Let's run this code and we'll see. Here we have some issue. Let's try to check it. Here target is should be greater than nums of mid. So it should be, here also the condition is wrong. Target is less than equal to nums of right and target is greater than nums of mid. Then we have available value in the right hand side. Let's run this code. And again it's failed. Here also we have written the wrong condition. Target is greater than, here nums of left, and target should be less than nums of mid. Here we have the pass all the test case. So here I given the wrong conditions. Either if this is true, then we have to change the left mid plus 1 and right mid plus 1. So here we have to check if nums of left should be greater than target and it is inside the nums mid, then we have to increase the right mid minus 1. Either we have to check left mid plus 1. So we just reverse the value. So now all test cases passed. Let's me submit this code. And here this is passed. So here we are checking either left part or right part, which part is sorted, and based on that target value we are getting the value and we are finding the solution in the O of log n. So this is the approach, we have to use it, and using the binary search in the sorted array we'll try to find the target value. I hope it's clear and we are able to solve the problem using binary search. If you have any doubt, please raise your concern and write in the comment section. I'll try to provide the answer for that. And thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you all for watching.